Hello, this is Noah at First Off Physical Therapy, located in Midtown Manhattan. We're here to talk about how you recover from a total knee replacement. First off, as a physical therapist, I have to apologize. I know this is very painful for the first couple of days as we move you and get you up on your feet and say, "Oh my God, do you know what just happened to me?" Yes, we do. But the most important thing is to get you up, get you moving. What happens after you have a total knee replacement is they've cut through muscle, they cut through bone. Your whole leg is in shock. Like, what did you do to me that I deserve this kind of treatment? But it's to help you get better and to help you make you move around better and get up and have the life that you want to have. So what's happened is you've had bone replaced, you've had tissues cut, the knee's swollen, the nerves have been cut, you're hot, you're irritated, you're swollen. So really the part is for the physical therapist is to get that thing moving. All the research shows that we get that thing moving, we get the swelling down. The nerve starts to repair itself. The pain gets less. The muscle starts to wake up again because the muscle's been cut. It's like, I'm not doing anything. I'm done for the day. So we need to get that thing waking up, get it moving again, get the pump going there to get that swelling out of there, get the pain down, and to get that muscle recovered. Once that muscle is recovered, you'll be getting up, running around, playing pickleball, doing golf, and just enjoying yourself. So what physical therapy helps do is we help different techniques with modalities, electrical stim, cold laser, icing, compression, stuff like that to help get the swelling down. Then we have gentle exercise to get you moving. Yes, the first 1 or 2 times we do it, it's a little uncomfortable, but once you get that thing moving, your body will say, "Oh, thank you. You're rewarding me. Let's get ourselves back in action." And the sooner we get that moving, once we recover that motion, get that full knee extended, the knee to bend as much as it's going to bend, you have to start building the strength. Those quad muscles, the front of the thigh muscles, your glute muscles, the back butt muscles. And once those guys are strong, kicked up, and they've woken up again for you, then you start feeling, oh, it's easier to get up out of the chair. It's easier to walk, go up and down the stairs. I can meet my friends back on the golf course. I can go play pickleball, and I can go for walks with my spouse. And here at First Health Physical Therapy, we'd love to help you get you there. You can look on our website down below on the webpage, fill out our forms. You can contact our office. We do telehealth services as well as in-person services to help you get back to having a fun, active, healthy lifestyle. Feel free to contact us.